We need to leave immediately.
What's going on?
I don't know what's happening. Some kind of mass hysteria. The hospital is on lockdown.
Doctor. Oh, shit. Yeah, he definitely cut out.
I think I want a second opinion.
Where the hell am I? Indeed. Welcome, everyone. My name's Sanitos. Welcome back to the channel. If you like horror games, if you like first-person shooters, please subscribe, like this video, comment your favorite part, and are you playing the new Resident Evil game like I am? Alright. We just woke up, got loose, and here we are. In this, I don't know what building. Well, let's, looks like it measures vital signs. My vitals good enough? It's a lot. That is a lot of blood. You okay? You look a little blurry. Begin blood extraction. Check pulse. No abnormalities. Administer Dexfil. Condition stable. Ready for further examination. No, thank you. Why would I want to turn off? I don't have my flashlight. Okay. Where? is this? Is that me? I hear footsteps in there. Is it? I don't know what to do. All right, let's go through here. Okay. Yeah, I am not feeling too good about this. Need a key. All right. Not doing too bad. Looks like I need a fuse.
Code 6, all staff, initiate emergency protocol.
Alright. Why can't I turn off these lights? Why is that like that? Okay. Is this a save room? Is this 8? Oh, I got a lighter. Alright. Okay, so I need a screwdriver. Shh. Typewriters can save your progress. Alright, look at that. Anything else? Why can't I turn these? What is? It's broken. Oh, it's a kid's room. Okay. How scary could a kid's room be? Shadow ghost. Have you seen the shadow ghost hiding in the dark? Have you seen the shadow ghost staying from the light? Have you seen the shadow ghost because she's been watching you? stay in the light. I don't like that. To staff, I've moved items out of the closet. The screwdriver is now in the toolbox and nurse station. The sewing kit is text blurred and okay. Alright, I'm gonna be honest. I'm creeped out. I am creeped out. Really, I'm so fucking creeped out. Oh shit! Do you have a screwdriver?
He's dead.
He's covered in blood.
Infected.
What the fuck? Why did they do that?
What the hell was that thing?
I don't know. Oh. Fuck. Why did I shut that fucking light off? We gotta go back, right? That was horrifying. Oh my blood. An injector.
Oh my god. This looks important. Maybe.
Everyone's fucking dead. What do I do? Okay. Something to step on.
It can't hurt to pick some, I guess.
Oh shit!
Yes.
Fuck is this monster? Can it see me, or is it just by... Run. Run, 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 run. Oh, come on! Fuck, I don't like this. Go, 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 go. Fucking go! No. Oh shit! I'm in control. Oh, come on.
Come on!
Yeah, fuck you. Oh. Is this also where I'm at? Or is this also where Grace is at? Is that a body cam?
Mr. Kennedy, welcome. Dr. Gideon has been expecting you.
Funny. I don't remember getting an invitation.
Well, he's waiting for you.
Can't have that, can we?
Follow me, please.
Lead the way.
Go up the stairs.
So how long have you worked for, Dr. Gideon?
Not long. I just recently joined the team. We care for quite a few long-term patients here, all undergoing experimental therapies developed by Dr. Gideon.
Ah, of course.
Experimental therapies.
Yes. It's all very cutting edge. The
Sure.
facility keeps a low profile due to the sensitive nature of the research.
Ah,
Oh,
T
I bet it
virus. T virus research, right? Hmm. I don't like this. I saw a box in the corner that I want to
Please, right
break.
here.
Interesting. He's not coming, is he?
Code 6, all staff initiate emergency protocols.
Mr. Kennedy, we need to leave immediately.
What's going on?
I don't know what's happening. Some kind of mass hysteria. The hospital is on lockdown.
Um,
Doctor.
Oh, shit. Yeah, he definitely cut out.
I think I want a second opinion.
Oh shit, what's going on with my game? Oh.
Nice.
Yeah, it is. Oh shit! Hi, buddy. I'll take that back.
Well, that went well.
You think so? I have no more Requiem bullets, of course. Because the devs hate me. Hunt us, seek us, find us, break us. Yeah. Alright.
That bastard did it again. How are things on your end?
I just hacked into the center's network.
Good. Good. Can you find me the floor plan?
No.
I'll see what I can do.
Well, in the meantime, I'll try to track him down.
Keep me posted.
Will do.
Oh shit. Oh.
here.
Get fucked?
You okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Leon Kennedy, DSO.
CSO. I'm Grace, Ashcroft, FBI.
FBI. What are you doing here?
Someone kidnapped me.
Victor Gideon.
I don't know.
Well, we should leave.
Of course.
What does Victor want with you?
What?
Grace,
What do you
he
mean?
grabbed you for a reason.
Wait, you're DSO. That's the counter bioterrorism agency, right?
Take this.
You're sure?
You might need it. Now go. Get out of here.
She won't get away, you know.
Dr. Gideon.
So nice to finally meet you, Leon. Why don't we have a little talk? Too slow. I see you're exhibiting symptoms too. Umbrella scars.
Leon, no.
I'll be fine. I hope.
You got that. You got the big fucking gun. Escape the care center. I have one fucking bullet. Alright. We're gonna escape the care center in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I am. Poor Leon is not. He's he got a little choked out. I don't think that's pretty. I don't think getting choked out is Leon's kink by a gigantic. Look how bad the gun is twitching. By a gigantic man. But who knows? Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Santos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Really, I'm so fucking creeped out. Oh shit! Do you have a screwdriver?
He's dead.
He's covered in blood.
Infected.
What the fuck? Oh shit! Run, 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 run. Oh, come on!
Mr. Kennedy, we need to leave immediately.
What's going on?
I don't know what's happening. Some kind of mass hysteria. The hospital is on lockdown.
Um, oh, shit! Yeah, he definitely cut out.
I think I want a second opinion.